My name is Alize Morris, a secured party creditor under the UCC-1 filed in Florida. American National being held in custody in Gulf County. I'm the agent of the said principal.
Who wrote that for you?
I did.
Why do you need to read it if you know what you're talking about?
Just memory.
Okay. Tell me what the 14th Amendment says. Mr. Morris, I know Mr. Hill was representing you in the 23174 case. You're here for an arraignment on the 24 CF49 case. Has your financial circumstances changed?
No, sir.
All right, I'm going to appoint the law officer here, Mark Sims, to represent you in the 24 case.
I can state this to the court.
You raise your right hand and...
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is about another wild sovereign citizen court case, and this one is intense from start to finish. The judge wasn't in the mood for games. He came in fully prepared, throwing out real law while the defendant just rambled about rights he clearly didn't understand. This guy was quoting the Constitution like it was some kind of secret code and demanding proof of jurisdiction, saying he's a living man who doesn't answer to the court. Like, what does that even mean? The judge fired back with sharp, factual comebacks that completely embarrassed him. It's honestly satisfying to watch a judge shut down that nonsense with pure logic and confidence. Do you think these people actually believe their own arguments, or are they just trying to waste time? Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy watching courtroom meltdowns like this one.
Yes.
Now that Mr. Hill is representing you, you probably want to talk to Mr. Hill before you say anything. We're recording this proceeding, so anything you say may be used against you. But I'm listening to whatever you want me to consider.
Yes, I'm not real sure what Mr. Morris is trying to claim in that writing right there. Said he's not a citizen and something about a secured.
My name is Alize Morris, a secured party creditor under the UCC-1 filed in Florida. American National being held in custody in Gulf County, which is not a 14th Amendment citizen of the United States, not a record. So documentation, there's official records to state it. I'm the agent of the said principal.
Who wrote that for you?
I did.
Why do you need to read it if you know what you're talking about?
Just memory.
Okay. Tell me what the 14th Amendment says.
That you were considered a slave under the 14th Amendment.
That who's considered a slave? I'm not a slave.
No, the incarcerated person. If you commit a crime.
Okay. Doesn't say if you commit a crime.
Or yeah.
That's not what it reads.
I got the 14th Amendment really wasn't in the book.
What book?
The book that we had in the back.
What book do you have in the back?
It's a law book.
What law book is it?
This judge might just be one of the best ones I've seen. He tore apart the sovereign citizen's arguments like a pro comedian on stage. Every time the guy tried to repeat his usual nonsense, the judge cut him off instantly without breaking a sweat. Before the guy could finish his third fake law, the judge dropped the hammer with actual legal truth. And honestly, if these people really believe the court has no power over them, maybe they should have thought about that before being born in the US, because if you're born here, you're automatically part of the system. That's literally what the 14th Amendment says. All that talk about traveling freely and not being a corporate person is just made-up internet garbage. What do you think? Did the judge handle this perfectly, or should he have been even tougher? Drop your thoughts below and let's keep going.
Florida statute book. Yes.
So the 14th Amendment isn't in the Florida statutes? That's because it's an amendment to the U.S. Constitution.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't know what the 14th Amendment reads?
The 14th Amendment reads not off on the top. Not off. Okay. That's why I've written.
What else do you want me to consider?
That I'm a secure party creditor under the UCC-1.
Tell me what the UCC-1 reads.
I wish I had my documentation in front of me to present it all the way. I wish I had someone here that was supposed to be here so I can have it.
I asked you who wrote that for you. You said you did.
I wrote it. Yes.
So do you know what you're talking about?
Yes, sir.
All right. So tell me what the UCC-1 reads.
It's the Uniform Commercial Code filed with the Secretary of State or within the entities under the contract with the Secretary of the State to maintain uniform commercial code records and database of judgment liens maintained by the Secretary of State.
Now tell me what UCC-1 reads.
It's two. It's a statement and it's a financial.
You don't know what the UCC 1 reads, do you?
Not on top.
You're not prepared this morning with your sovereign citizen argument? You needed some additional time to prepare?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you some additional time to prepare your sovereign citizen argument. When do you want to come back?
I would ask that he's got 2 cases. I know one we've got already got the discovery on that I need to go meet with him at the jail and go over. Being at the jail, I mean, I can find time between now and May 9th to go to the jail and take care of that.
All right, Mr. Morrison, you come back. Usually when sovereign citizens come in the courtroom, at least they can recite from memory a lot of the stuff they travel under. So next time you want to come with your sovereign citizen argument, be prepared, okay? I'll listen to you, but be prepared.
Yes.
But you're not doing justice to your fellow traveling nationals who consider themselves sovereign citizens if you're not prepared to even articulate what the argument is, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll see you May 9th at 1:30.
Today.
Be prepared next time, all right?
Yes, sir.
It should have a constitution in the back so you can read the 14th Amendment and be able to tell me what it reads. And
what it says right here. What is state?
We're going to May 9th at 1:30.
Machine into a contract.
That's not a contract. That's giving you notice that you're going to come back.
Mm-hmm.
You're fine. I'm not going to query you about what a contract is.
This judge really deserves credit. He wasn't just firm, he completely took control of the courtroom and didn't let the sovereign citizen nonsense take over. Every excuse, every fake law, every I don't recognize your authority line, he shut it all down fast, and the best part? He told the guy to come back for another hearing. Hopefully that gives him some time to realize that court isn't a YouTube debate, it's real life, with real consequences. Honestly, it's so tiring watching these people waste everyone's time pretending they're in a movie. They talk about maritime law and freedom of travel, but none of it makes sense. If they'd just act normal and cooperate, things would go way smoother for them. But instead, they want attention and end up embarrassing themselves. Thankfully, judges like this one remind everyone that facts still matter anyway. I'll stop before I start ranting too. What do you think? Did the judge handle him well, or should he have gone even harder? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy this kind of courtroom chaos, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.